Hey, welcome to the Life O'Reilly homestead. Next on the project list is for us to install this 10-foot steel second-hand farm gate to the back of our property. The thing is more of a pain in the ass than anything.
Yeah, no doubt.
You think so?
Seemed like it there for a bit, but it's working, I guess.
What?
It seemed like it. I guess that you're talking about the camera thing?
No. I'm talking about our coolers for our beers.
Oh, yeah.
They're kind of more of a pain in the ass, to be honest.
Fucking right. I agree. Two reasons. I drink my beer pretty quick.
Yeah, I like it on this side better. It's way easier, wouldn't it be?
I think so, yes. We'll do it this way, I think so. Right.
She's like, so this is my audition. Straight. Will you have to use the electric drill or just keep going like this?
Just like this.
You need to fucking worry about it. Hi. Bitty bee. So is it like when you tighten a tire, they have to do like a little bit on each bolt at a time?
Not quite, but I do want to keep it level.
mosquitoes, can you, Bob? Yeah. So that's okay that it's sticking out that much? You don't need no filler or gapper or anything?
Nah, it'll be fine.
Yeah. It's awesome.
Hang on.
Oh,
Oops, sorry.
that's alright. Good. So yeah, so gate takes us to what, like around here. So we'll have one post here, and then we'll have to put another one around where this one is, this temporary one is. So we're gonna dig down and put one around there too. Oh, there's our post. These are from our barn, so that's cool. We love repurposing everything. I almost didn't let him have them. But I feel like if you're gonna use it, you might as well have the fat top on top, like the bigger side. Eh?
Nope.
Why?
Because it'll rot faster.
So there is a small hill right here, and that's why we need to definitely put another one. So the gate will close to here. We're gonna actually close it on the gate so we don't have to worry about the hinges kinking or whatever, going too far. It'll just hit the post, and we'll use the post to lock it. It's a plan. Eventually we'll have a little bridge here, and then we'll be able to walk around the entire property. Bailey, hi. I love where that opens to too, babe.
I like it.
We're finally taking this part of the fence down, and we plan to eventually use the fence on this gate to double secure, I guess, it for the dogs, or really any of the animals eventually. But Bailey's already curious what's going on. Perfect. Looks awesome.
It's been there a while.
Yeah, stuck in there. So we're just trying to get it out of the way. And, exactly this.
Nope.
Keep the dogs in.
You guys back.
So this way, guys. Come with Mom.
Bruno, back. Go see Mama.
Come. That's it. Thank you. Excellent puppies. Oh my goodness, forget about it. They're so hot. Come on. Come on. Good job. Get me too. God damn it. All right. So we have a trail, and it's hard to tell right now, but we haven't used it since we did the fence. And the fence, getting the fence entire around this part of the property has been our goal. So now that we have, I don't know, almost 2 acres fenced in completely, now we're looking to get some gates. And we got 2 of these gates that were, the guy that we got them off of, he jimmy rigged the hinges, and he made them himself just out of bolts and a welder and whatever. So we went to Canadian Tire and got some good screws to use, or bolts, whatever you want to call them. And so yeah, it's kind of like a makeshift thing. By the time we got home, we realized that both of the hinges weren't exactly the same. You know what I was just thinking? Did you check the other hinges? Because maybe 2 are one size and...
Nah.
No?
They're all different.
Yeah. So they're all different. They're all different size holes. So this guy just drilled a hole, whatever kind of screw that he had available. And of course the screws didn't come with it. So we went and got all new screws, which we knew we wanted to make it more secure. And so anyways, I have a little short video of Chris drilling new holes. So we could use our, thankfully everything was a little bit smaller, so he was able to drill out the hole opposed to any of the holes being bigger and our screws not fitting. So Chris is gonna, that's where we're at there. We're gonna dig another hole here, and it's such nice soil back here that we're keeping it, and we have a ton of Bella this side. Come on, let's go, Belle.
You guys might have to go in.
Yeah, you'll go in if you have to. Can I close this? And then at least it's just you
Bella.
over there. So come on, Belle. Brew, over here. That's it. That's it. That's it. Watch out. Come on. That's it. Come on, Bill. Watch out. That's it. Good girl, everybody. Good job, everybody. Come. So that soil we're going to keep for whatever, the garden, probably. And we have a pile of clean fill over there, and our clean fill is just like sand. So we're gonna bring the sand back and use it here with a little bit of quick set concrete that we have. So nice little project to get to since the garden is finally done. Yay! Not done. The planting is done. All of the weeding and tending has just begun, but that's okay. That's what we're here for.
Enough already?
Belly bee. Hi. Good girl, Bella. Good girl. Good girl, Bella. Go swimming. Oh man, I want to get in there with her, but I don't. on. That's my girl. You're always such a good girl. You're always listening, aren't you? You're the best baby, isn't you? Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Always listening. Good job. Good job. Excellent. You need some of that, Belle? Whew. Stay. Bailey B, come. Come. Yeah, you don't need to worry about that. Good girl, good girl. What are we doing, baby?
I'm just gonna hammer this.
What are we doing, baby? Tell mommy. Tell
Gonna hammer the fence in.
So even though we've hammered it in all the way down, since we cut it off, you're thinking that we should just put one more in to be secure. Right?
It's the last one, yeah.
The last one. There's one more still. Are you putting one every single?
Yes, ma'am.
And that's how you roll. That's probably where we spend the most in our projects, eh, babe? I'm not being mean. I'm like serious, right? Staples, screws, U-nails, roof nails.
Psychiatric help.
No, but right? That's probably, besides that, everything is so
For sure.
cheap. I mean, not cheap, but way cheaper than buying it at the store, the same store that you buy all those nails and stuff. Because I haven't found a place that you can find liquidated bolts, nails, screws, whatever. Guys, getting a little too familiar out there. Come on.
We'll have to shorten the chain for sure.
It's perfect. Yeah, that's awesome. Great idea, baby.
Bruno.
Come on, bub.
Good boy.
Just a bit of a gap on the bottom.
I'm gonna screw it in.
It looks good and it's doing its purpose. This one. Bro, back.
So that when I pull it, I can pull it like that. Whatever.
Go with Daddy.
So, anyone drink?
No.
Pardon?
I don't care at this point. Watch out.
Are you gonna mix up, yeah, babies?
What? Yeah, it's just the dogs.
Show me both. And how's that zipped out? Oh, okay.
Are you doing this one?
Okay. Wait. Yeah. Oh, that's good enough. A little more. A little more. Okay. A little more. No, sorry. A little less. In. Yeah, there you go. Bruno's being perfect, but he's on the wrong side. All right.
Come on, guys.
Let's go
Get over
home.
here. Everybody. Bella.
Yeah.
So here's a closer look at the final result. We really love how it turned out. We also love that we were able to repurpose this wood from our barn.
Let's go home.
So there you have it, another project marked off the list. If you made it this far, we appreciate you. If you've not subscribed to our channel yet, please do so at the Life of Riley Homestead so you can follow along our next project, which is clearing a path from the back gate that we just installed to the heritage trail that our property adjoins to, which I'm going to say is probably 100 feet, but I'm probably wrong. I'll have to get back to you on that one. See you next time.